We'll show you how to fix and disable YouTube restricted mode when it has been enabled by a network administrator. If this guide helps, consider liking and subscribing. Open YouTube. If some videos are missing or hidden, click your profile icon in the top right corner and look for Restricted Mode. You may notice it is turned on and cannot be disabled, with a message saying it's controlled by your network administrator to filter potentially mature content. If you're the network owner, for example, it's your personal internet, you can change the setting yourself. If you're on a managed network, you'll need to contact the administrator. If you're using Google Chrome, start by clicking the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then open Settings. From the left-hand menu, go to Privacy and Security, then select Security. Scroll down until you find Use Secure DNS or select DNS Provider. Check which DNS is currently active. If it's set to a filtering service like Clean Browsing Family Filter, switch it to Google Public DNS. After making this change, close Chrome completely and reopen it. Go back to YouTube, click your profile icon again, and check Restricted Mode. It should now be disabled. If it still appears enabled, check your system-level network settings. Right-click the network icon in the bottom right corner of your screen and open Network and Internet Settings. Select your active connection, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, then locate the DNS settings and edit them. Save the changes, then restart your browser again. At this point, restricted mode should be turned off.